And my personal question to you is, why not you?
There comes a day when you're just sick and tired of being average. You see all these disciplined guys on social media, and it makes you sick to your stomach thinking about the person you have become. But it's time you stop focusing on other people and start using that energy on improving yourself. It's time to create that 2.0 version of yourself and make the greatest comeback of your life. This is the season to work on your goals relentlessly, without procrastination, without distractions, and without excuses. There is no option to let yourself down anymore. And I'm in this phase as well. I was in a rut for too long. I made excuses and put off the goals I set for myself. I would indulge in social media and easy pleasures rather than to pursue my dreams, because it was much easier. And the more I put things off, the more I started to dislike myself. But I decided enough is enough. How much time do we have to spend thinking about our goals before we take action? You need to ask yourself, what is worse, the pain of not achieving your dreams, or the pain of working hard towards something meaningful? You know the answer. So it's about time you stop putting it off and stop making excuses for yourself. This is how we create the greatest comeback of our lives. What do you think separates me and you from the all-time greats? Yeah, they have great genetics, but it's not that. It's their mindset. They weren't born champions. They had to create themselves through relentlessly working towards their dreams. And that was only possible with the right mindset. The same mindset David Goggins uses every single day. Just take one step. He has days when he doesn't feel like doing shit. There's times when he does not want to run at 3 a.m. in the rain. But he doesn't focus on that. He just focuses on taking the next step. And that's putting on his running clothes, and then put on his running shoes, and then step outside. He doesn't focus on the 3 hours he will spend in the rain. He just takes one step at a time. That's the greatest advice I ever got. Even a marathon starts with one step, then another, then another. Mr. Beast started with 0 subscribers. Don't aim for perfection, just take action. Read one page, meditate for 1 minute. That's more than you did yesterday. And in order for you to create the 2.0 version of yourself, you have to disappear and come back a new man. Get off social media, start saying no to parties, and stop worrying about what other people will think about you. You have to remove the distractions that are standing in the way of your success. If you want extraordinary results, you can't be like everyone else. You have to disappear and put in the hard work without telling anyone. I know it feels incredible to tell people about what you're going to do, but it's to your detriment. When you tell people about your plans, it feels nice. It kind of feels like you have already achieved something. You get the reward without even doing anything. So resist the urge and don't tell anyone about your plans. You can't rely on your willpower to make the right decisions. Sooner or later, you'll choose the easy path. If you wake up every day without a plan, it's impossible to make progress in the long run. Every single successful person ever had a plan. They had a map to reach their goals. Michael Jordan knew what to train on a Monday morning. He didn't have to use energy on deciding that. You should be the same. You should create a daily routine to follow. Make your day a habit. That way there's no way you won't be successful. Even if you just follow it 60% of the day, you'll still achieve way more than if you didn't have a plan. And this is freedom. You literally get to design your day exactly how you want it. I don't want you to just work 16 hours a day. That's not what I'm saying. But you should have a clear plan so that you always know what to do at what time. Literally write down everything about your day. When to wake up, when you're going to do deep work, when you're going to exercise, literally when to relax. Write down when you eat, write down everything in detail. And don't just watch another video, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Take action right now and create the version of yourself you always wanted to be. And no matter how hard things might get, just take one step at a time. And we're in this together.